There have been a lot of promising advances in the treatment of Waldenström's macroglobulinemia. We're particularly excited about the role of BTK inhibitors, and we're seeing an evolution of BTK inhibitors for this disease. Recently, there was the trial of ASPEN that compared ibrutinib versus zanubrutinib. We've seen a lot of exciting data emerging from this trial, namely showing us activity for zanubrutinib in patients who have no MYD88 mutation and those that carry the CXCR4 mutation. We're also seeing deeper responses associated with zanubrutinib, which may be particularly important for patients that have morbidity that requires a further deepening of an IgM response. In addition, these days we're looking at optimizing outcome with patients who are on BTK inhibitors. The use of CXCR4 antagonists concurrently with a BTK inhibitor has us excited. But we're also looking at other options, including the use of either chemotherapy or BCL2 inhibitors along with BTK inhibitors. There remains this ongoing question of the role of bendamustine plus rituximab versus the use of BTK inhibitors. There was a very nice study recently presented, a multinational study, in fact, looking retrospectively at the outcome of patients. And I will tell you what that showed us is both the use of a BTK inhibitor like ibrutinib or bendamustine rituximab produced very similar results. So, what's exciting these days is the ongoing development of immunotherapies. We're keen to see now some of these trials that have just started to see how bispecific antibodies and even CAR T cells will factor into the management of patients with Waldenström's macroglobulinemia.